Hello, P4 students. How are you today? Welcome back to our home learning, and today we will learn about Unit 19. It's all about heat. So let's find out what are the learning objectives for this unit. What are flammable materials? How can we handle flammable materials safely? What are the effects of heat on solids, liquids, and gases? How does heat flow? What are examples of good and poor conductors of heat? To start with, let's learn the science glossary for Unit 19. Good conductors of heat are materials that allow heat to flow through them easily. Viscosity is the state of being thick, sticky, and semi-fluid due to internal friction. Contraction is the decrease in size of object caused by loss of heat. Interact is to act on each other. Expansion is an increase in size of object caused by gain of heat. Flammable catches fire easily, and poor conductors of heat are materials that do not allow heat to flow through them easily. So what is heat? Heat is a thermal energy that flows from a hotter body to a cooler body. It keeps the particles in matter in constant motion. These particles move faster when they have more heat energy and slower when they have less heat energy. Heat affects the physical properties of matter such as volume, viscosity, and electrical resistance. Example, heating a liquid increases its volume and decreases its viscosity. So let's now go to flammable materials. These are materials that catch fire easily. We should keep flammable materials away from heat and sunlight. Avoid playing with fire near flammable materials and avoid throwing containers containing flammable materials or liquids into a fire. In We Care section, it is stated there that fire doors should be closed at all times. Fire doors are fitted with airtight seals that prevent smoke from passing through the gaps between the doors and the floor. When there is a fire, the fire doors can contain the fire and smoke within a confined area for a short period of time so that the occupants of the building can escape. Examples of flammable materials. These materials are mostly found in our home, like wood, paper, liquids containing alcohol and oil like insect spray, cooking oil, paint thinner, nail polish, and perfume. Containers storing flammable liquids are sometimes labeled with a warning sign and should be handled with care. So this symbol is very important for us to know if the material or a liquid is flammable or not. Handling flammable materials. Keep papers away from any flame and place loose pieces of paper properly to prevent them from flying when working near a flame. Store flammable liquids far away from heat and direct sunlight. Keep a fire blanket in the kitchen. Always make sure there is a fire extinguisher around during a campfire or a barbecue. Do not play with fire as there may be flammable materials around. Do not light a fire or smoke near a petrol station. Do not throw containers that contain flammable liquids into the fire. They can explode. Changes in state of matter. Water can exist in 3 different states: solid, liquid, and gas. An ice cube or snow are examples of water in the solid state. Water in the sea is in the liquid state, and water vapor is water in the gaseous state. How heat travels. Heat always travels from a hotter to a colder place or object. During boiling, water changes from the liquid state to the gaseous state to form water vapor. This water vapor rises and reaches the lid of the pot, which is relatively lower in temperature. Heat flows from the water vapor to the lid and the water vapor returns to the liquid state, So small water droplets are formed on the underside of the lid. Have you noticed it? And the last topic, good and poor conductors of heat. Good conductors of heat allow heat to flow through them easily, whereas poor conductors of heat do not allow heat to flow through them easily. And that's all for today. For supplementary videos, you can watch them in Google Classroom as I posted them there. Thank you. Keep safe and healthy at home. Bye bye, friends.